Are you self-employed and ready to buy a new home in 2024? Hi, this is Brad, and welcome back to my video blog. Well, before you go out and file your taxes and write off everything you can and under the sun, you should reach out to me or reach out to your lender. A lot of times we've seen clients that have written off a lot for their businesses, which means you pay a lot lower tax rate, but then when you go to qualify a home, because you've written off so many items on your tax returns, you no longer qualify. So if you're thinking about buying a home in 2024 and you haven't filed your tax returns, please reach out to me and I can direct you to the lender and they can explain to you the best way to go about getting a new home for you in this year. Questions, comments? Send me an email, give me a call. I'm here on standby. Thanks for watching and have a fabulous day. Bye for now.